everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I gonna show you how to make a chicken stock. It's a very easy and simple things, right? But authentic. Here is no any shortcut way, right? So I gonna show you how to make an authentic chicken stock. So let's start. So you can see guys, I already roasted chicken and I put over there ice cube and you can see here we have a garlic, leek, onion and celery and carrot guys, right? I already got all the vegetable. So with this vegetable we will make authentic way chicken stock. Aside container I put the oil. There is a one container you can see. So all the vegetable we will put, all the vegetable, and we will roast we will mix all of this vegetable guys. Then we will put our chicken and ice and water we will put. And guys, I would like to let you know it takes 3 hours continuously. So you can see guys, I already put all the things. You can see our vegetable also has been roasted and boil also is coming up. So 3 hours then it will be